are going to perform titration of M by 15 Mohar salt solution. We have to standardize the given solution of potassium permanganate of unknown strength by preparing a standard solution of M by 15 Mohar salt. So for preparing M by 15 Mohar salt solution, firstly we have to take a 250 ml beaker, and after that we have to measure exactly 1.96 gram of Mohar salt. We have to transfer the salt into the beaker, and after that we have to add minimum of 50 ml water to it. And water, we have to add concentrate sulfuric acid. Now we have to add 5 ml concentrate sulfuric acid to it. Now we have added the concentrate sulfuric acid to it. Now we have to continuously stir it till the salt gets completely dissolved. The salt is completely dissolved. Now we have to transfer the solution into the volumetric flask or measuring flask with the help of a funnel. Now we have to fill the flask till the edged mark. It should be exactly up to the mark, not below and not above of the mark. To be very careful as we have reached almost near the mark. So now we have to add water drop by drop to it. Now very carefully we have to add water with the help of dropper, drop by drop. Now we have to close the flask and mix the solution properly. Now this is prepared standard solution of M by 15 Mohar salt. We have to standardize the given solution of potassium permanganate by using this standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate, which we have prepared right now, of unknown strength. For this we have to pipette out For this we have to pipette out. We are having pipette of 25 ml. Now for this we have to pipette out the solution of Mohar salt solution till the mark given on it. Now we have taken out 25 ml of Mohar salt solution. Now we have to transfer it into the titration flask.
भी बोलो.
Now, after transferring few ml of the solution left over here in the pipette, so for that we need to hold on to it from here and close it up from the above. And after that, the left out solution will also come out because this is temperature sensitive.
रुको रुको.
To add equal volume of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution which we have taken in the titration flask. So for that we have to measure 25 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. We are using measuring cylinder for it. Now we have to add this dilute sulfuric acid to the titration flask in which we have taken the Mohar salt solution. After this, we have to take burette in which we have to wash properly firstly with water, and after that we have to rinse it with KMnO4 solution. After that we have to fill it with the help of funnel with the KMnO4 solution till the 0 mark is reached. Now we have to bring the level of KMnO4 till the 0 mark. Now, after the level of KMnO4 reaches till the 0 mark, after that we have to put the prepared solution of dilute sulfuric acid and Mohar salt onto the. We have to add KMnO4 drop by drop carefully to the solution and stir it till the color doesn't get permanent. We have to keep adding it drop by drop and stir. Now we have got almost permanent light pink color. Now after this we have to do the same thing, repeat the same thing for 2 to 3 times by filling the burette till to the 0 point. And after that we have to note the readings in every step and do the calculation to find out the strength of the unknown prepared solution of KMnO4.